In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the OmniHuman AI video generator, an innovative tool that can transform how you create animated videos. Let's get started and walk through each step to ensure you become comfortable using this exciting technology. First, you'll need to access the platform. You can do this by visiting the official OmniHuman website or using platforms such as Dreamina, which offer access to the AI video generator. You might want to bookmark these sites for easy access in the future. Once you're on the platform, log in if you have an account, or create one if you're new. This step is crucial as it gives you entry to all the features provided by OmniHuman. Next, let's move on to uploading an image. Choose a clear, high-resolution image of the subject you'd like to animate. This ensures that the finer details are captured effectively, which is important for quality animation. Click on the Upload button and select your image file from your device. Keep in mind that the quality of your animation largely depends on the quality of the image you provide, so make sure it's sharp and well focused. Once your image is uploaded, the next step involves adding motion signals. This is where magic happens. You'll have the option to incorporate an audio clip, a video snippet, or even pose data. These elements will guide the AI in animating your image, bringing it to life with motion. If you're using audio, make sure it's clear and of good quality to ensure the best results. Similarly, for pose data or video snippets, choose ones that are expressive and suited to your image. After setting up your motion signals, it's time to generate the video. This is the exciting part where you get to see the AI in action. Click on the Generate button and let the platform work its magic. The time it takes might vary depending on the complexity of the animation, but it's generally quick. Use this waiting period to review your project or explore other features on the platform. Once the video is generated, you'll see an option to either download or share it. If you wish to keep the animation on your device, simply hit the download button and it will save on your local storage. Alternatively, if you prefer sharing it directly with your audience on social media or other platforms, you can do so seamlessly with the sharing feature. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you're now ready to dive into creating animated videos with the OmniHuman AI video generator. Whether you're using it for personal projects or professional presentations, the potential is endless. Enjoy exploring this powerful tool and happy animating.